Come on, go.
No, we gotta keep him on it, yeah.
He's over here now. Where are you? Where are you?
So let him take that and join us. He ain't gonna take it. That's strong enough. Yeah, he is. It's just right out.
Look at the little puppy. Look at the little puppy. Oh, he's so cute. He's a pit bull.
Well, I guess.
Got him.
Puppy is supposed to